Welcome to my channel. Vintage farmhouse decor embodies a timeless aesthetic that seamlessly blends rustic charm with a touch of uh, nostalgia. Rooted in the simplicity of traditional farmhouse, this design style has gained popularity for its warm and inviting atmosphere as one steps into a space adorned with vintage farmhouse decor. It becomes evident that every element is carefully chosen to evoke a sense of history and comfort. One hallmark of vintage farmhouse decor is the use of weathered or distressed wood furniture pieces with worn edges and imperfect finishes add character. This emphasis on authenticity creates an ambience that feels lived in and well loved. Reclaimed wood, in particular, plays a significant role, giving a nod to sustainability while infusing a sense of history into the decor. Neutral color palettes dominate the vintage farmhouse style, often featuring whiteness, creams, and soft earth tones. These muted colors contribute to a calming and serene environment, allowing other elements in the decor to take center stage. It also provides versatile backdrop, allowing homeowners to easily incorporate various textures and patterns without over the space. Vintage farmhouse decor is more than just a design style. It's a narrative that honors tradition, simplicity, and the passage of time with its emphasis on weathered wood, neutral color palettes, functional furniture, and accessories. This style transforms a living space into the cozy retreats that celebrate the beauty of imperfection. It's a timeless approach to design that continues to captivate those seeking a home that feels both familiar and welcoming. Cozy textiles play a role in softening and the rustic element of vintage farmhouse decor. Toilets through blankets and soft, oversized pillows create an inviting atmosphere. Thanks for watching.